I work with a lot of clients for job search strategy sessions. And when I work with them, I tell them all the time, I'm like, listen, I can do the work for you and I can write the email and I can do the things, but you're going to show up to the interview and they're not going to be talking to you. They're going to be talking to Lauren. So we have to sit down and really work on the wording and, like you're saying, the tonality and all of those things. And you really have to perfect it for yourself. So when it came to like branding yourself, when you started thinking about, okay, I need to build a brand, was it for your business?
So branding myself, I never thought that that would be something I'd have to do personally. It just sort of morphed that way. Starting a business and going out there and speaking to people, and there was no video in that, but you're still sort of branding yourself. And I don't think I was very good at it in the beginning. I was probably like pretty awful. I actually had a friend of mine, we were at this like networking sort of group, and he would always be like, you keep like leaning over the chair when you're speaking and whatnot. But that I think leads to like being around people that can give you good feedback and kind of saying, hey, you're showing up this way when you're thinking you're showing up that way, and sort of tweaking it. And then I got to a point where it was like, okay, I need to start, doing more videos and not just showing what we do, but showing myself and giving tips. And so one of the things that's worked for me as far as like branding has been more tutorials, interviews, educating people, and that's sort of helped me brand myself.